Namaste viewers, I am Priyanka Maheshwari, Sujok Acutherapist, and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Acupressure Upchar. In today's video, we will be discussing some acupressure points through which we can boost our immunity in this period of COVID-19. First, we will discuss energy point which is located on both the sides of the palm. The location of the first point over the palm is between the two fingers over here. And the second point, when we will fold our palm like this, and then we get this crease over here, and in the midway of this crease there is a pit over here. This will be the location of our second point. For the third point, we will take the center of these 2 points. This will be the location of our third point. For the fourth point, we will take 1 finger distance from the first point and 2 finger distance from the second point, that is our midpoint. For the fifth point, we have to take 1 finger distance from this point and 2 finger distance from the midpoint. For the sixth point, we have to fold our thumb like this, and then we get this crease over here, and in the mid of this crease we get a pit over here. This will be the location of our sixth point. And for the seventh point, we have to get a midpoint of these 2 points. This will be our seventh point. Now we will locate sixth point, which is located on the back side of our palm. For the first point, we have to fold our thumb like this. Again we get a pit over this joint. This will be the location of our first point on the back side of the palm. And for the second point, when we fold our thumb like this, then we get a pit over here, which will be the location of our second point. And for the third point, we get the midpoint of these 2 points, which is over here. You will get a pit in the center of the wrist. This will be the location of our fourth point. And for the fifth point, this will be in between these 2 fingers, that is middle finger and the ring finger. In the mid of these 2 fingers, almost over here, this will be the location of our fifth point. Sixth point will be in between of these 2 points. As our body is made up of 5 elements, these elements have their energies and their energies have their own colors. To charge up these energies, we have to apply their color. Here we are increasing heat energy, so we are applying red color over these points. For activating these points, you have to apply pressure on these points. You can apply pressure with the acupressure tool, or if you don't have a tool, you can apply pressure with pencil or pen, whatever you have in your hand. We have to apply pressure over here in this direction. Here, direction of energy is very important. We have to apply pressure in this direction. We have to give soft and deep pressure on these points for like 2 to 3 minutes. By applying pressure like this, these points get activated. Now we will discuss thymus gland. Thymus gland helps in the development of T cells, which is actually a type of white blood cells which helps in fighting against various infections and disease. This gland remains active till the age of 12. After that, it gets inactive, and at the age of 60 years, it starts activating again. This point is applicable for the children who are at the age of 12 years and adults who are above 60 years. For the activation of this point, we have to apply green color. The location of this point is between these 2 energy points over here. As we are applying these points to the children and the adult, so we have to apply soft pressure only. We can apply pressure for 2 to 3 minutes over here. I hope this information is useful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get my upcoming videos. Till then, stay connected, stay home, stay safe.